guys, I'm Anastasia from Happy Bellyfish, and today we are making a very special recipe. It's very special because together with it I'm going to show you a piece of my childhood. We are making a herbal tea that's coming straight from the garden. And right now I'm situated in dacha. For Russians, dacha is very important. Basically it's a countryside house, but it will always have a garden. A small or big, doesn't matter, but in Soviet times people actually used to grow their food here. I'm going to pick some special herbs from the garden and show you how to make a tea with that. The thing is that when I was a child, it was something very natural, you know, in the morning you would want to make a tea, so you just go and you pick things from certain bushes, which my grandmother taught me to choose, and I had absolutely no idea about their health benefits. I just knew that it tasted fantastic. And you just put in the cup, you boil it maybe before for a few minutes, and it tastes amazing. Already later, when I started learning about health benefits of different plants, I realized what a superfood my early childhood tea was. You can find the ingredients for this tea very easily in any country, in any health shop or even pharmacy, and make it on your own. But if you have a garden or if you have a friend with a dacha, I recommend you to pay a visit to that friend and make this tea fresh. You will never regret it. Every culture knows this flower, especially, you know, its leaves, but it's actually the flower that you should drink. This is the best part about making this tea, because you can eat all the berries while you're picking the leaves. These are blackberries and they're my favorite. This is rose hip. You probably saw it. It has like this little red berries, which are also fantastic for the tea, but we're going to take the leaf. This video. Now head over to happybellyfish.com and check out some amazing online programs and cooking classes that we are offering together with food experts from all around the world. Eat healthy, keep your belly and taste buds happy.